Welcome to week one of Walking with Jesus. We've just climbed this mountain, about an hour, 500 meters elevation. And when you look in front of you, you just like, you have to put in the discipline. But yeah, look at this beautiful view. And so on this journey, there'll be many highlights and many tough times that you go through. But in this week, we talk about salvation and assurance of salvation and justification. And how do I really know that I'm a son of God and that I'm saved, that I'm going to heaven? Those are the questions that will be answered. And every day, as you just stick to it and as you get accountability partner, you're going to see how the journey just gets you into some rhythms. And then there's fresh water regularly, and maybe some coffee if you like nice coffee. But look at this beautiful view, and that's what we're gone for, is to get Christ in us and then Christ through us. So welcome, be part of this journey. There's still lots of people coming, yeah, and so it's so exciting to achieve something and also to set goals for yourself in this week as you get assurance of what does it mean to be saved, to be born again, but to continually to be saved. So let's do it. Let's go for this week and be strengthened in the Lord.